Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can download the Appvalley for iPhone. So first of all, you have to open the UC mini browser. Then open Google and write Appvalley and search. Now click on the first link that indicates Appvalley. It will take you to a new page. You can also buy VIP, but the simple is just Appvalley. So click on install Appvalley and it will give the option. I have already installed it, so I will just cancel it and I will just open it from the menu. As you can see the Appvalley here I have opened, and you can see it is finally working and everything seems to be fine. You can see everything is fine. Thank you guys for the video and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos, anything if you want.